Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you guys how to do eye bun on natural hair, or should I call it high afro puff. Your girl is happy. I'm so excited. I am able to show you guys how I made this beautiful afro high puff. It's very easy, it's very simple. You don't need to break your back. In less than 1 hour you'll be good to go. So that being said, get your tools ready and let's get started. Right here, I have 3 bundles of hair, and normally you can use 3 bundles of hair for a full head, like a complete full afro head. But for this tutorial, I only needed 1.5. Everything I use in this video, you guys, I'm gonna list them down in the description so you can check it out. Like I said, this Afro high puff is very easy, it's very simple, you don't need any stress. Just pay attention to what I'm doing and you're gonna get it. So guys, I am using my needle and thread to sew the weft onto the net, and just take a good look at what I'm doing, you guys. I made sure I double the weft because it's very thin. Sometimes some hair they have very thin weft, some they have very thick. So if you happen to get a weft that is very thick, you don't have to double it. But because my weft is very thin, I decided to double it just to give you that firm and strong hold, because if it's too thin and then you try to sew it to the net, it can rip off, and at the end of the day, it doesn't make sense. So if your weft is thick, make sure you use one. If it's thin, just double it so it's strong and firm. So you're going to sew the weft, as you can see, like a merry-go-round. You're just going to make sure you sew it in a circular form. From where you start, you're just going to go like say around and come back to where the weft started and just create a knot. Right here, I am creating a knot just to make sure it's like the first circle is stiff and okay and strong before I continue. So basically, you're just going to repeat the same thing, just like a merry-go-round, round and round and round until you finish the whole, like until your hair is covering the whole net. Make sure no space and no net is left visible. You just have to keep doing a circular form sewing until the whole net is completely covered. Does that make any sense? Your girl is trying to be a teacher, you guys, but I hope you guys understand what I am explaining. I'm going to keep quiet now for you guys to watch and see what I'm doing. right here, I am taking my time with open eyes. Like I make sure my eyes are wide open at this point, because if you're not careful, you're going to pierce yourself with a needle. So right here, I'm just taking my time gently to make sure I don't pierce myself, because we are coming to the end of the whole thing. Like you can see, the net is completely covered. So I just grab my scissors to cut off the excess weft that I'm going to use for another hair, so it's not needed right here. So you just want to make sure you cut off the excess weft and continue with the sewing. I took my time. You first have to do like some architectural work right there. You guys just ignore my voice, okay? I am a bit under the weather, so my voice is acting up. But yeah, the tutorial came true. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I'm glad you made it this far, and I hope you learned something new. And if you are already a pro, just let me know what you think down in the comment section below. How did I do? How did your girl do? I guess I did well. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, because your girl is going to be coming with a whole lot of hair tutorial. And just in case you're not following my hair page on Instagram, my hair page on Instagram is called @braidsberlin. That's where you see all of my work, my braids, cornrows, twists, dreads, and all of that. Alright then, that being said, let me allow you guys to watch this video. We have come to the end. As you can see right here, I am just knotting the last thread, and I'm going to grab my scissors and just cut it off. We are done. Done. Now this is the spray that I use. I use this spray for my natural hair. I use this spray also for my wigs. I'm just spraying a bit of, I just like to give it like moisture and condition it to make it like really super soft, softer than it came before I brush. Now I am brushing it. I am just brushing it without care. What do I mean by that? I want to make sure the texture comes like it turns out like my natural hair. So I'm taking my time to really brush it all out. I didn't spare any curls. I made sure all the curls, I said goodbye to all the curls. So if you're someone, your hair texture is more curly, you don't have to really brush it as hard as I am doing right here. If you love to keep some curls, don't brush it. You can actually use it red, but I wanted it to be more loose. That's why I'm brushing. I did 2 of this high puff, and one I brushed, like this one right here I'm brushing. As you can see, the other one I didn't brush it. I just let the curls stay the way it came. I did nothing to it. I'm just trimming the time. Those ones are not needed. They are just going to make the whole thing tangle. So that's what I'm trimming. As you can see guys, I already added the clip before I did the whole sewing. You can also add the clip at the end, but I decided to add my clip before I sewed in the wefts. I'm still brushing. I want to say final goodbye to all the curls. You guys, this hair is really soft, super soft. I love it. Now I am right here with my washed hair. My hair is clean, soft. I deep condition, I washed, and my hair is moisturized. Now I'm using the Eco Styling Gel, my brush, my tail comb, and my, how do you call that? Is that a big comb? Okay, I can't remember what that is called. But anyways, you saw what I just showed you right here. I'm just prepping my hair to add the puff at the top right there. At the top. So you guys, you see it's very simple, it's very easy. You just do your thing. If you want to put your puff like lower down, you can also put it lower down. If you want to put it on the side, you can also decide to put it on the side. But I love to keep my puff Like when I pull my hair up in a pony form, I love to keep it in the middle. It just gives my face this beautiful, natural looking form. Oh yeah. I'm applying the Eco Styling Gel to slick my hair to make sure it's sleek and soft. Oops, I love it. Now I'm going to scarf my hair to keep it, just to make sure it's dry. I left it on overnight, and yeah, you can also do it the same day, but I didn't want to go under a dryer, so I just let it stay overnight. Let's go! Yes! Wow, I am loving this hair, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? Thank you guys. If you made it this far, you are a darling. Make sure you love yourself. I love you guys. Stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.